Hello everyone, I'm Sarah, your AI guide. Welcome back to a new English lesson with Safar AI, your journey to better English. I'm here to help you learn how to use possessive adjectives and reflexive pronouns in the same sentence. Let's begin with the key points. What are possessive adjectives? What are reflexive pronouns? Let's put them together. Real-life conversation. Speaking practice. Summary. What are possessive adjectives? First, let's review possessive adjectives. These words show who owns something. Examples. This is my phone. That's his jacket. We love our garden. Remember, possessive adjectives always come before a noun. What are reflexive pronouns? Now let's look at reflexive pronouns. We use them when the subject and object are the same. Examples. I cooked dinner by myself. She helped herself to some cake. We enjoyed ourselves at the party. Reflexive pronouns show that someone does something alone or independently. Let's put them together. Now let's try putting possessive adjectives and reflexive pronouns in the same sentence. Here are some examples. He forgot his keys, so he had to let himself in. We brought our food and made lunch ourselves. They packed their bags themselves before the trip. In each sentence, the possessive adjective shows ownership. The reflexive pronoun shows they did something on their own. Real-life conversation. Listen to Ali and Minna and notice how they use possessive adjectives like his and my, and reflexive pronouns like himself and myself.
Did John bring his laptop?
Yes, and he set everything up himself.
Great. I'll get my notes and join you myself in a minute.
Speaking practice. Let's practice speaking together. Repeat after me. She packed her suitcase herself. You made your lunch yourself. They cleaned their apartment themselves. Summary. Use possessive adjectives to talk about things people have. Use reflexive pronouns when people do things without help. You can use both together in one sentence. This is my notebook. I wrote the notes myself. Thanks for watching. Keep learning with Safar AI, your journey to better English. And remember, practice makes perfect.